packing for your EF tour. What I always use is a Porter 46. This is my favorite bag. My wife likes the Meridian. We'll talk about that one in a second. Either way, we always travel with carry-ons. When you're planning for a trip, it's a good idea to rethink what you actually need. If you're going on a trip with EF tours, you've got to remember that it's a tour. It's not a vacation. These are very, very different things. A vacation implies that you might spend all day long in a park or by the pool, perhaps moving about leisurely at your own pace. When you're on a tour, that implies that you're there to see as much as you can see in a given day. That's what you paid for. So let's figure out how to pack for that so you can travel lightly and maximize your day. With that in mind, I'd like to show you how I suggest that students pack when they're on tour. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I pack my Porter 46. Now the 46 is how many liters this thing holds. Right now I have packed this almost double what I would normally pack on a tour, but I just wanted to let you know what you can fit in one carry-on bag. So let's go through this. What I'm going to do is just unpack everything and lay it all out so you can see what we've got here. All right? So what do we have? First of all, this thing has a really nice front pocket. And in mine, hopefully you can see this. I keep all my cords, I keep my phone. Open this little place up here. There's a padded spot for a laptop or tablet or some books. That's usually all I bring. There's another zipper in the front pocket where you can put magazines, a tablet, whatever you might want to put in there. I usually have a deck of cards in here too, but today I didn't pack them. So that's what I put in the front compartment. So then, what clothes do I actually carry? Let's take a look at what this thing holds. The nice thing about it is on the Porter 46, it's a big, huge tub. So what do I have? I have a USB port, multiple, so I can take 6 or 7 different things and plug it right into this. That's pretty handy. I have this. What the heck is it? So I don't need to bring a pillow. It's my extra layer for warmth, and I don't need to bring an umbrella in case it rains because I've already got this. So what else do we have in here? Stuff sack, underwear, socks, bathing suit, pajamas, everything you need. For some reason, this is the only thing I ever put in a stuff sack. If I rolled it all up, I'd have much more space. I'm not a huge stuff sack fan, but for some reason I do like to put these things in here. I have one pair of jeans rolled up. I have a pair of running pants, don't take up a lot of space. And I have a standard pair of hiking pants. These are also long. And these are all up, rolled up. I usually only bring one long pair of pants and the running pants that I'm wearing. I have all my converters in here. They fit in nicely into this little package. Some converters are an all-in-one unit. The ones that I have are dedicated for each country. We can talk about those in another video. I always bring one heavy shirt. This is just a big, thick Henley. I have a whole lot of old running t-shirts from when I used to run a lot. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 short sleeve t-shirts, and then I always carry some long sleeve t-shirts, so I've got 1, 2 long sleeve t-shirts here. I carry a couple pairs of shorts, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of shorts. 2 of them also double as a bathing suit if I need it, although I did pack an extra bathing suit in here. I bring a very large battery charger. Kids are always running out of energy on their phones. So it's nice to have something like this around. I can charge 2 phones at a time with this. I've never had it run out on tour. It's always gotten me through a day. And then I have one more that I forgot to mention. I have a third really long, big, long sleeve t-shirt. All right? So that's what I pack for a week, and that's way more than I usually carry. You've got space in here still. There's a big side pocket on each side. I always bring a dry sack with me. I always bring it empty. This is in case we get rained on or my clothes didn't dry and I've got places to go. I can just put them in here. They're not going to get the rest of my clothes wet while they're in my knapsack. So, now, last thing to talk about is like toiletries and things like that. On the Porter 46, there's this really nice little pocket up at the top. And all I do is I put my deodorant, my shampoo, my shaving gear, chapstick, some clean wipes, everything all in here, toothbrush, toothpaste, in one little baggie. And everything is 3 ounces or less. I usually don't take a full-size deodorant thing. I always pack minimally. But this fits in the top nicely, and it's a waterproof carry spot for it. So that's everything you need for one trip in one 46-liter space. I can't recommend the Porter 46 enough. So we just saw how everything fits into my Porter 46. What I'm going to do now is take everything out of this bag. We're just going to move that off camera. I'm going to show you how it all fits back into the Meridian, which is my wife's favorite thing. It's wheeled. Porter 46 is just a backpack. So you've got this to wheel around, but it also turns into a backpack. We can take all these things out, and I'm not going to do it all here because it's not that sort of video, but you can carry this on your back or you can use it as a roller, whichever one you prefer. Older I get, the more appealing it is to have a roller. So let's see how everything fits into the Meridian. Same stuff. We've got some cinches, some straps to tie everything down, and let's stuff this thing and see if it all can fit. So, that's the Meridian. If you notice, not everything fit. That's because this is a little bit smaller, but the really cool thing about this particular pack is, in addition to this, you also get a day pack that goes with it, that fits right in. We take this backpack, and we put everything else right in the front. It's got a dedicated place to put your laptop. Pocket up front for your cell phone. Put all my cords right in here. Push this down. Now, I'm ready to rock and roll. There's actually a whole lot more space in this little day pack left, and I probably could have rearranged everything and put everything that was in the Porter 46 in the main body of this Meridian. The point is, you can pack a lot into a carry-on sized bag. So you can see, it's pretty easy to fit a week's worth of clothes into a carry-on bag. Like I said, I use this Porter 46 all the time. It's been with me for years and years and years. I've gone all over the world with it. The Meridian, I've gone on 2 trips with it across the ocean. It does a great job. So that's how I pack for an EF tour. It's short and sweet. I'm going to put a packing list down in the notes somewhere around here, probably down below. If you have any suggestions, put them down in the comments. I know there are a lot of people who've been on EF tours before. I'd love to hear what some of the other experienced tour guides and tour directors have to say. Anything you've got that can help the next person who's going on a trip, I'd really appreciate it if you put it in the comments section. That's Todd's EF Tour Hints for the day. We're talking about packing. Have a great day.